That's all we're getting right now in Whisker Haven this week is all rain, drizzle, and fog. Hate it! Yeah, it's been lasting all this week. When will we ever get sunny weather again? I don't know, Pumpkin. I don't know. It's all just been rain, drizzle, and fog. That's why we were gonna sing that song. Yeah, I just wish it would be sunny already. But no, it has to be rainy and all that. All of this week as well. It's just. No, I cannot stand all this. Exactly. I just can't even stand all the bad weather that we've been having lately. It'll warm up soon, I promise. Warm up, it's November. Oh, my bad.